Hey, it's Crypto Expat back with another video. It's going to be a short video, this one. I got this message from a friend and he said, hey, you're getting these 300 credits from Tron, and I don't know what to think of it. So he is a good friend, I do trust him, so he sent me these instructions. And so I followed the instructions and I downloaded the Tronlink wallet on my phone, and then I claimed the rewards, and I did actually get 300 points. Now, whatever that 300 points is worth, they don't say yet. But, I mean, this could be something like they did with Uniswap, where they're trying to get more people to come back to Uniswap. This could be Tron's version of doing it. I don't know. However, it is from actually Tronlink wallet itself, so it is legit, and it is from within the app. So first of all, you have to download the app. So as far as I know, this is 100% legit, but from what we get, I don't know. So anyway, this free, it's whatever it is free. It took about a minute to do, so I thought, hey, I'll just give it a shot. It's free. So this is how you do it. I'm in Google Play. I'm just going to download this Tronlink Pro wallet, and once I download it, I create an account, and then after creating an account, you click me at the bottom right, select invite friend, select claim friends, and input a code to receive 300 points. However, I don't know what the 300 points is worth. So you create an account, go through accept the terms, set up an account, you'll set the password. I have to click me at the bottom right, which is down here. I invite friend. So friend invitation, click on that. Invite friends, okay. Select claim rewards. I click up to here, it's top, I'm assuming, yeah, top right, claim rewards. And then put the code word, which I'll have a code word for you to put in. So I'll put the code word I got. Congratulations, I got 300 points. If you want to get this, we don't know what it's going to be like. This could be like Uniswap, where they're giving away free tokens. Maybe it's just Tron's version of trying to get more people. I have no clue what this 300 points is worth, okay? So that's what I'm just telling you up front now. It could be something, it could be worth a lot, it could be worth nothing. I mean, with Uniswap, I got my 400 Uniswap tokens, and I sold them for about $3 each. So it's a good little surprise. We don't know what these are going to be worth. They could be worth nothing. So if you want to do this, just follow the steps I showed you, and just there'll be a code below this video, or I'll flash it up here, and you can use that code to then just repeat the process. And every person that you invite, you'll get 300, they get 300. Yeah, we'll see what happens with this. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.